Hey, welcome back to another video post from MyoForce. Chris and I are here to show you some movements for power using the verses. We're going to have a high attachment point. We're going to focus on making sure that we have the right work to rest ratio doing these exercises. They're not going to be metabolic in nature. We want to make sure your work to rest ratio is about 1 to 12 up to 1. That means if we're doing 10 seconds of work, you're looking about a minute and a half of rest between exercises. So these 4 exercises, you can take your time going from one to the next. Just make sure you're working in absolute maximal effort greater than 90% when you're doing these movements. So the first movement we're going to do is the plyometric push-up from the ground. So Chris will get down and set up with his feet in the stirrups. And this is a pretty advanced movement. If you can't do a good solid 15 to 20 push-ups body weight on your own, you want to probably go from an incline, not with your feet in the stirrups here, and do something like, say, on a Smith machine or on a bench. But what we're going to have him do is set up with his feet so they're off the floor slightly, long body. We're going to do no more than about 5 reps, about 10 seconds of maximal effort. He's only going to do 3 right now, making sure he's getting up off the ground, his feet are staying solid. Good, great there. So after that, he's going to transition slowly, take a minute and a half between. But for the sake of this video, he's going to go right into the next one, which is going to be the one-legged plyometric jump with your foot in the harness. Okay? He's going to do about 3 reps here. He's going to put one foot in through the loop. And then he's got to make sure he gets that load, explode. So snap up, pop. Good. Perfect. So he's doing it cyclically now, not acyclically. He's not going to pause between. He's going to do one right after the other. So after he does both sides on that one, he's going to move into the plyometric or explosive row here. He's going to get to an angle where he can do a full row and pull him up, himself standing here. Pop. And then fall right back into it. Make sure he keeps some kind of tension in the cables at all times. Perfect. And last, he's going to do just a squat jump. Instead of doing a vertical jump and reaching with his arms, he's going to use arms a little bit to help him get some more ups on this one. And snapping right back up. Perfect. Try that circuit out. Probably about 2 sets through when you first start it. Build up to 3. No more than about a 10% increase per session when you do this so you don't get any overtraining. Good luck.